So water, the situation with water is really no better. Again, landholders must use their own resources to fight them in court to get a water licence, and to ensure that the department allocates water according to resource operation plans and according to law. They're just not doing it. I read something the other day that the Wentworth group of concerned scientists, it's a catchy name, have advocated that 60% of the water that's currently used for irrigation in the Murrumbidgee irrigation area should be taken back and returned to the environment, and 30% of the water allocated in the Murray. That would lead to an absolute disaster as far as food production goes, and for those regional towns that depend on irrigation in both those basins. So this idea of water buyback, using taxpayers' money to buy back irrigation allocations. There's an Argentinian family who operated a large irrigation operation in southern New South Wales, sold back $300 million worth of water to the government. Now, I'm not sure how many of those $300 million remain in Australia or have gone back to Argentina, but what we do know is the water that the government brought back apparently flows down the Murrumbidgee and out through the Coorong. So we've lost $300 million of taxpayers' money. It's gone perhaps back to Argentina, and the water goes down the river. And this is apparently good public policy and environmental policy. So you've just got to be sure that any water they'll need for this nebulous concept of the environment will come from agriculture. Urban areas are expanding, and any water that they need they will get, and they will get it at the expense of agriculture. Notice the pipeline that's been built recently from the Murray River to supply Melbourne's water supply, rather than building a dam to supply Melbourne. So the water that runs down that pipeline won't come from this theoretical environmental allocation, it will come from agriculture. It's having immediate effects on the dairy and cheese industry around Echuca. Dairy factories and cheese factories there are closing. People are being thrown out of work, and those small communities are going to fall over.